still holding on to your waistband. Turn away and kick up the red sand. Summer's gone and now I'm bleeding. I can tell now you're thinking of leaving. Oh darling, are you gonna leave me? I'll watch you if you can. Oh darling, are you gonna leave me? I'll watch you if you can. Oh darling, are you gonna leave me? I'll watch you if you can. Oh darling, are you gonna leave me? I'll watch you if you can. Dusty roads in a fire, burns in the distance is higher. Hot stones, birthmarks, the thin wire stretches to a distant horizon. Oh darling, are you gonna leave me? I'll watch you if you can. Oh darling, are you gonna leave me? I'll watch you if you can. I'm still holding on to your waistband. Turn away and kick up the red sand. Summer's gone and now I'm bleeding. I can tell now you're thinking of leaving.
Stop beating yourself up. Stop putting yourself down. Stop waiting for bad luck. I won't mess you around. I am not a fool. I'm not a fool for loving you. You're better than I am. I want to be your man. Stop putting in the boot and buy yourself some shoes. We are the perfect suit to walk out of the blue. I am not a fool. I'm not a fool for loving you. You're better than I am. I want to be your man. When I hear your voices lifting, when I see the dark clouds shifting from your eyes, I never want to die. want to be your man. I am not a fool. I'm not a fool for loving you. You're better than I am. I want to be your man. Always on time. Rain, rain, oh the same rain. Know my name. River, river, know my name. You're always on time. Rain, rain, it's the same rain. Know it's 3:30 in eternity. Tempest future. Never sin again. There's no punchline. Train, stay the same train. Someone asking, are you there? We've been here for so long. We never feel the same. Tuned in for a different song. Leave the shadows and the shade. And the light is moving. Never gonna hate again. No one can be bothered. Loving is easy. Turned you on. In the gardens. Turned you on. Counterpane is moving. The television shimmers. Worlds are brightly burning coal. The night rolls like a river. Lamplight shining through the years. Like astronauts romantic. You reach the space where stars revolve. Won't give up our magic. Loving is easier. Turned you on. In the gardens. Turned you on. Loving is easier. Nothing is easier. Loving is easier. Turned you on. In the gardens. Turned you on. Turned you on. In the gardens. Turned you on. Loving is easier. Nothing is easier. slur and shake for singing till this heaven feels, 'tis love of earth that he instills, and ever we up and up, our valley is his golden cup, and he the wine which overflows to lift us with him as he goes, till lost on his aerial reeds in light, and then the fancy sing.
Wow, that's nice. But I mean, who is the lark?
I don't know.
Sorry, I think I've read the wrong page. The script you gave me says something different. It says you are.
Yeah, but I don't feel like the lark much of the time, and there are other larks for me, you know.
Wait a sec. Okay, so correct me if I'm wrong, but in the script I have you're making a point that art does this.
Right.
You know, the whole it rises on wings from earth to fill that and pulling the rest of us with it. That as the lark rises, so do we.
Right. I'm unsure.
But hold on. I mean, it says it right here.
Yeah. But the ground folds at my feet.
But I mean, what about the number 7?
Did you ever notice the sky below that?
And I'm trying to make you sing from inside where you believe, like it's something that you need, like it means everything. And I'm trying to make you feel How we choose our sense of being. Take a little time out, take a little faith in. How we dance our sense of rhythm. Take a little time out, take a little love in. Expect unexpected, expect unexpected now. Take a little time out, take a little faith in. Take a little time out, take a little faith in. All in the forest of life. All in the forest of love. All in the forest of life. Standing tall, the shining ones, into the forest of night. Standing still, the golden ones, into the forest of love. All in the forest, all in the forest, all in the forest of life. Expect unexpected, believe unbelievable, realize indescribable, receive undeniable love. Into the forest of life. All in the forest of life. All in the forest of life. All in the forest of love. Expect indescribable, expect undeniable love. Take a little time out, take a little faith in. Take a little time out, take a little faith in. Take a little time out, take a little faith in. Take a little time out, take a little faith in.
How we reach that state of wonder. How we choose our path to follow. Three star glowing. Under the covers of love. Under the covers of love. Under the covers of love.
When I got close enough to smell your hair, comprehend the freedom there, it was too late to wonder why there is home when we speak in your arms. There is peace in my dreams. You alone. Good Friday when you took my hand and relieved me of command. Could you forgive me if I live in the home where we speak in your arms, where there is peace in my dreams? You alone. You say that you never have me. You say that you want to stay free, but there is home when we speak in your arms. There is peace in my dreams. You alone. The world is full of missing girls, Gerald and James, and Ophelia's. Go for a walk and don't come back. Say I'll be okay, just not today. Nothing is wrong now. Nothing is right. The funeral cortege goes out of the street. There's nobody home. We're more alone. She wanted to see everything there is. I hope that she did. Beautiful kid. Nothing is wrong, but now nothing is right. Nothing is wrong, but now nothing is right. men, they're never too rich, never too thin. She thought she could steal flowers from the spring, for when she walked, she used to sing, nothing is wrong, but now nothing is right. After the flood, in the tower of love, you let down your hair. The air seemed to sing with the first song of spring. What else could I say? Have I told you that I love you? 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 Today, when love appears Come evening shade, when lilies fade, there's one thing to say. Have I told you that I love you? 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 Today. And did you hear poetry heals wounds of reason? Oh, there is no love within reason. There are no gods, there is no heaven or hell or hereafter. There's only our love and our laughter. And did I say it out loud? And behold, you make everything golden. Don't be led by fear, nor ignorance. Be set apart and be ready, 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 steady, steady, ready, ready, steady, steady, a true king, by his spirit, a true king, be moved by his spirit. You are the helper to the fatherless. Break the arm of the wicked man. Call the evil We're in the battle of good and bad, good versus evil. We are in spiritual warfare. There is a God, God is truth, God is love. Is it not an existential crisis not to consider God a creator, intelligent design, with no need for religion or dogma if you don't want it? Where is the proof, you ask? Look all around you. Look at the wondrous, incredible, inexplicable design of nature and how it interlocks. Look at the seasons and the animal kingdom. Look at the impossible divine genius of a living cell and how life came from nothing. Look at your hands. Look at the amazing symmetry of your face and body. Look at your amazing body, the most incredible machine ever designed and built. Look at how you have a conscience, free will and a soul to think the things you are thinking now, and to be and not be fallible. What are the waters above the firmament? Do we really know the form and shape of earth and all around it? When did we become so scared to ask questions and to admit that we simply don't know the answers? If the earth and God is truth and love, is there a destructive lying force trying to destroy it all at this point in time especially? We're in the battle of good and bad, good and evil. We are in spiritual warfare. For we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against the rulers of the darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places.
Why does the wicked man say to himself, he won't call me to account, your God, but you, God, see the trouble of the afflicted. You consider their grief and take care